cast iron hub here, all cleaned up. Got the oakum out and cleaned that all up. Wire wheel, or actually I used just a wire brush, and a Fernco rubber donut, 4.5 inch OD, 4-inch ID, and we'll go on to this, well, let's see here, let's put this in here, part way, and now, okay, actually what I wanted to try was just putting it on PVC pipe first. Okay, it's I might be getting out of the camera. Alright, I got it started on this piece of PVC, and now starting it into the cast iron hub. See, it just started part way, so now into the PVC here. I got some Dawn. Yeah, smear that in here. Oh yeah. And then we'll put some Dawn here on this thing. Alright. Putting the donut into the cast iron hub. She started in a ways there. Just using what I had on my truck here, this is the most blunt thing I could find that I thought would still work. Just kind of a dull, just a typical chisel. Putting this in before I redo. Ah, shit. Oh. Well, struggle is real. Let's see here. Didn't have that in. Alright, let's just leave. Let's bring her out. Give her another go here. These things are so slippery. That's what you want. That's what you want. Alright, we got her on there again. Alright, get back in there. Alright. Just hammer. I gotta catch this up a little bit. Dead blow hammer here somewhere. Let's try the dead blow. Very cramped work area here. So let's try this. Tap this puppy in. It's not a very There we go. Let's take a board. Get over here. Try this. It's blunt in it. It's going. Oh, let's see. Get the old dead blow on her again. It is going. Harder to get at stuff here. Not a lot of room to work. But it is going in. Just got to work this donut around. Might have to. This block is not my favorite. Actually, I'm going to use this chisel backwards. It's got to be something blunt. Work that donut around. Boy, she's snugging in there. This part here looks really nice. Keep working it. That's the way it is when you're working remote. You got to work with what you got. She got a ways to freaking go.